Hi there, students. To instantiate, a verb. Instantiation, the noun, the quality. So to instantiate is to be an example of something, to give an example of something, to represent an example of something very often abstract. So in my videos, I like to instantiate the meaning of words. I like to give examples. I like to give instances. Notice an instance of is an example of. Okay, so to instantiate, to give an example of something. The pink colour in this portrait instantiates love. It represents love. The attitudes of these people instantiate a new changing mood among the population. Okay, so to instantiate, to represent as an instance of something. Yeah. For example, to give a concrete or tangible example, a representation of something that generally is abstract. So the horns, the horns in this motif instantiate the idea of evil. Yeah, but you can either use it to give a physical example. This instantiates exactly what I was saying, to represent by an instance of something. You could also use it to mean to provide concrete evidence in support of your theory or in support of your claim. So if you have an alibi, if you're accused of something and you have an alibi, the alibi instantiates the fact that you couldn't have done it, yeah, because you were somewhere else. I didn't do it. I was with my brother, okay? To instantiate, to find a particular usage of a word. So yes, as I said, I like to instantiate the different meanings of words. Okay, so to represent, to give an instance of. I tried to find a group of people who would instantiate my theory. To instantiate an abstract or universal quality. The way these people are acting is a pure instantiation of my claim that people are good. So it's representing something by an actual example. Yeah, to represent in as a concrete example, as a specific instance, to provide an instant or concrete evidence in support of something. So can you instantiate your claim? You might use the word substantiate as well. Okay, so to instantiate, a regular verb. Yeah. So he instantiated his theory. He has instantiated everything he said. So formality. I think this is quite a fairly formal word. I'd probably give it maybe 6.5, maybe 7. I'm not sure I would use it in a conversation. I think represent. Yeah, to show, to give an example of, and then use this in semi-formal and formal writings. And then as to origin, well, it comes from the Latin instantia. Instantia meaning being near, the presence of something, or perseverance, urgency, earnestness. And clearly it comes from the noun an instance. This is an instance of the law acting unfairly, and it's an example. Yeah, can you instantiate what you say? So enough I think I've instantiated the meaning of instantiate enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Instantiate.